Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 5th chapter, that is combustion and flame. Okay students, so in previous classes already we have discussed about the students flame of a candle. Yes, there are the different zones also we have studied, but students today we are going to discuss about that what is the fuel, because fuel is very important for the burning. Okay, so it is one substances which burns and gives the heat and light energy. Okay, heat and light energy. So what are the fuels and what are the calorific value of that fuels, we have to study in this video. Okay, so let us start that students. First of all, what is the fuel? The fuels are the substances that burns to produce heat and light energy. Fuels are the substances which that burns to produce heat and light energy. That means it is one substance like a combustible substances like, and it burns. Okay, which one? The fuel burns and it gives the heat energy and also light energy. Okay, you have seen that friends when we are cooking. Yes, with a wood we are by the firewood. You have seen that in olden days firewoods are keeping and making that cooking that our what food items. But nowadays what happened? We are using that LPG. Yes, yes sir. So by the gas, that is also one of the fuel, petroleum gas that we are using, and a burner with it we are cooking that water, our food. Yes. So this are what happening? And it is burning and giving heat energy, and also it is burning and gives also light energy. How is light energy giving? Also students, in the olden days king when they are ruling to us, at that time in the particular place they will add, and they have fires, they will keep the wood fires, and it will burn and gives the light energy also. At that time there was not discovered that what electricity. Okay, at that time they are using this what a fuel for the burning and getting that what light energy. But now friends, we have to see that what are the examples of the fuels? Wood, coal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG. These are the examples of fuels. Okay friends, fuels one of the substances which helps for burning, which burns and it gives the heat energy and also light energy. Okay friends, so these are the examples. Wood is one of fuel, coal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG. What that LPG students? Liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, petroleum, it is often from the petroleum, but it was high pressure with it, they have put it into the cylinder. That's why it is called as a liquefied petroleum gas. What is the full form of the CNG? Compressed natural gas. It is a how like LPG, same like also it is also CNG, but it is natural gas. It is compressed natural gas. Okay, it is used for cooking in automobiles and to generate electricity. What for you are using this all the fuels? Wood, charcoal, coal, petroleum, CNG, LPG, whatever the fuels we have seen that. What purposes you are using? We are using in our domestic purposes, that for cooking. Yes, and also we are using automobiles, so many vehicles, car, bus, train, all the things are running by the fuels. Okay, and also we are using for the generating the electricity for also hydro power, that we are using also this as a fuels. Okay, what are the types of fuels based on the physical states? Friends, according to the physical states, the fuels are three types. One is solid fuels, liquid fuels, and gaseous fuels. What are the solid fuels? Solid fuels means as per that our room temperature, if the woods that fuels are exist as a solid, that is called as a solid fuel. Okay, according that as per that what are the room temperature. Friends, there are the three fuels already I told, solid fuels. So solid fuels at the room temperature, if the wood, charcoal, coal are extinct means exist, that is called as a solid fuels. You have seen that wood also a fuel. Which type of fuel this is? It is a solid fuels. Okay, and a charcoal, coal, these are coals are using for that our generating electricity, and also for that coals are using in our trains, okay, and some different industry also running by the coals. So this is also one of the fuels. Which type of fuels? Solid fuels. Next, liquid fuels, kerosene, diesel, petrol. These are the liquid fuels. Now gas stove, you have seen that, and stove, kerosene stove, you have seen that before that. That also using by the kerosene. These are at room temperature. That fuels are in liquid state. That is called as a liquid fuels. What are that? Kerosene, petrol, diesel. These are the liquid fuels. Okay. Next we will go for that gaseous fuel. Biogas, petroleum gas, natural gas. Friends, by that you have seen that before, you have studied in the 7th classes also. What are the biogas and natural gases? So which are we are getting that fossil fuels from that from the earth we are getting that gases specially containing the methane, and it is helping for that also for this cooking, and for industrial also it is helping. So these are the, and LPG gas, nowadays we are getting that petroleum gases, that is LPG, as LP's way we are getting. So these are the examples of the what gaseous states or gaseous fuels. Okay friends, but today now we are going to discuss about that what is the calorific value of a fuel. Calorific value means what is that? Students, if we will compare, suppose according to that calorific value, that means if we will say that suppose kerosene with we are now stove with we are cooking, okay, and petroleum gas with we are cooking, which one is high calorific? That means 1 liter petrol with if we will burn, how much energy it will get? 1 liter kerosene with that much energy we won't get. So petrol having the high calorific value than the, what is that? Than the kerosene. If suppose 1 kilo kerosene or 1 liter kerosene with wood with if you compare, that will get more kerosene having the high calorific value than the wood. So friends, we are getting calorific value means which one giving more heat energy and having the same quantity of the fuel. The same quantity of fuels with the which one having different energy, that is called as a calorific value. That means one unit of fuel, that means 1 kilogram or 1 liter of the 1 kilogram of fuel, how much amount of energy is giving, that is called as calorific value of its fuel. Okay, let us start that friends. What is that calorific value? We can understand by the definition. The amount of heat energy, how much heat energy is producing or releasing by a unit quantity of fuel, that means 1 kilogram, or how much quantity of that, one unit, one specific unit you have to take by that way, how much heat energy is producing, that is called as calorific value. Okay, and it is expressed and in the presence of oxygen. So without two oxygens, already I have told, without oxygens that combustion cannot take place, that is called as what? Our three things are already I have told, for that combustion there are three things are needed. So in the presence of oxygen, if you will that combustion and it will burn, that is called as what? How much heat energy is producing, that is called as a calorific value of that fuel. And it is expressed in the kilojoule per kilograms, kJ by per kg. Kj means kilojoule. Unit SI unit of heat is called as what? Joule. Okay, or erg. Okay, in CGS you should say erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. Remember friends. And now we are discussing about kilocalorie per kilogram also you can say, kJ per kilogram also you can say. So now we will discuss about the students calorific value of some fuels. I have written some fuels and it's a calorific value. Okay students. Biogas 30 to 40 kilo joule per kilogram. Biogas, that calorific value. That means 1 per gram it is. Okay, 1 gram of that if you biogas it will take 30 to 40 kilojoules energy it gives. Coke 28 to 31, coal 15 to 27, charcoal 29.6, hydrogen 141.9. Heavy energy given. Which are highest? 141 it has given. Kerosene 47, LPG 48, petrol 48. So many fuels are different fuels are there. So having different fuels having the different calorific value. Friends, you should be remember also some calorific value of that given fuels. Okay students, have a nice day. You should everything you should complete and write in your classwork, and also remember students for your homework this complete this chart value and remember. Okay, thank you all of you.